and welcome to Wetrooms Online. Today I'd like to introduce you to the free to download Expert's Guide to Wetrooms. We've put this guide together calling on many years of expertise in the wet room area. It's a perfect starting place for anybody planning on designing and starting to install their own wet room. It covers many areas including the layout of your wet room, the installation of your wet room, helping you to choose the correct tray for your wet room, and it also then has product spotlights which give you the key features of some of the top products available from Wetrooms Online. This free to download guide is available from www.wetrooms-online.com/guide. That's www.wetrooms-online.com/guide. If after reading the guide you want any further help or advice, then our experts are on hand to help you out. Simply give us a call on 0800 280 8008 and we'll be glad to answer any questions and provide any extra information that you need. Thanks for watching.